Okay, so I did some reading about this Lite action cam, and I found out that stability control only works when it's set at 30 frames per second. I had it set at 60 frames per second, thus no stability control, so going down the road it was shaky and blurry and just terrible. So that was my bad. I should have read instructions. But anyway, I've changed the settings and I'm fixing to do a test. I have to go get some gas so I can get our grass mowed, and we're going to see how it does. So right now, I'm filming myself, and I'm going to take a few shots walking around, and then it'll be a dash cam. So let's see how it goes. I also love the fact that I can use my phone to see what I'm recording. You have to excuse the yard. I haven't spent much time working on it, but I'm fixing to go get gas and get it all cleaned up. Here's the truck. A little bit dirty after our trip to the National Forest, but not too bad. A little mud up in there. Kind of shady here, so we'll see how the lighting is. Okay, I'm going to start recording now. I'm backing out of a driveway to go get the gas to cut the grass. I'm going to see if changing the settings from 60 frames per second to 30 frames per second, so the stability control will actually work, is going to clear the picture up. Hopefully it does, because I have seen some pretty good footage online, people using this Lite camera. So I'm sure it was operator error on my part. And it's a shame, because that footage that I was shooting would have been beautiful. Very nice drive through the Ouachita National Forest. But if this is shooting what I'm seeing on my phone, it should be better. Fixing to find out. When I get home, I'll download it on the computer. And even though it's not camping or National Forest related, I'll put it on YouTube so y'all can see how the camera does once the settings were corrected. I've got the sound set to low. Check that out. See it coming around on the road? Nice, huh? I'm just going to leave that running while I get gas. gas is ready. I'm going to take a little bit of the long way home. We're going to drive through Spring Lake Park. To get a true feeling for what this camera's going to do, maybe facing into some sun. Different speeds. Comes a Jeep. This is in Texarkana, Texas. This is Summerhill Road. Here's 40 mile an hour. Stability control should help a lot. This Nissan Titan's running on 10-ply tires, so it rides kind of rough, plus being a 4x4. You can also turn that mic completely off if you don't want to pick up noise, wind noise. So if you got it mounted out on the hood or something, just turn that mic off. So far, the view I'm getting in my phone looks pretty good. Which it looked decent when I made that other video. So by the time I download this to YouTube, I don't know for sure what it's going to look like. I know I was disappointed in that last video I uploaded to YouTube. I almost thought about just not even uploading it, but you know how it is. Live and learn. Figure the mess out. This is all new to me, so it is definitely a learning experience. I'll be turning more into the sun because the National Forest trip, I was pretty much headed into the sun the whole way I was recording. This is the entrance to Spring Lake Park. Very nice frisbee golf courses here. Nice walking trails. Ball fields, whole bunch of Pokemon gyms and stops. We spent a lot of time here. Pretty day today, even though it's cool this morning. Looks like if I turn here, it's going to be about as close to into the sun as I can get. Under shade tree. This should do it though, as far as it was so blurry, I couldn't see much of nothing. This little pond here is stocked with fish. A lot of history in this park. Some of it's not on the positive side. For years and years back, what show was that? Was it The Town That Dreaded Sundown? Dark through here. That low light setting, I believe I have it set to automatic or auto. Every now and then I feel like what I'm seeing, it kind of hesitates and then goes forward. So I don't know if that's going to be noticeable when I upload this or not. I really want this to be a good little camera because for the $100 I've got in it, it would be a really good deal versus what you pay for a GoPro. I didn't want to mount a very expensive camera if I ever used it, you know, mount it to the outside of the vehicle. Less money mounted out there, in my opinion, would be a better deal. Goes to Tacoma. Alright, I'm going to turn this off now. We should have enough footage to know if it's good or not.